Alright, what's up guys? So this isn't the normal routine, even though it is pretty much coming like the normal routine where I kind of start recording while I'm already driving and I kind of push you into a video that was already kind of edited. But that's just kind of how things have been falling lately, and it's what, especially when the Cobra videos are happening, it's because again I recorded those prior and I just never uploaded them, but they were pretty much 100% edited, ready to upload. It's just I have to explain the before and after kind of effect to it, because it was pretty much a month ago already that I did those videos, or a little over a month actually, because I've had this car for about a month now. So we're gonna go ahead and get Starbucks right now, like I was saying. But as you guys can go ahead and see, I got the VMP power pack. So the VMP pack included the 2.5 pulley, the 90mm idler to pick up the slack when you go ahead and drop down to the 2.5 pulley, as well as the JLT 128mm air intake with the tune for it as well. We're gonna go ahead and I still need to data log it and send it back so I can go ahead and get actual, pretty much, you know, as much power as you can get when you get all that stuff done. So shout out to Jose from VA Performance. I'll go ahead and put his info in. Shout out to him for doing the installation. I had him do it for me. So go ahead and enjoy the installation process, and then I'll go ahead and talk to you guys about the afterwards. Basically, like I said, I've had it on for about 2 weeks now. I've actually done some racing with it, but I still haven't data logged it, which I know it's not a good idea, but it is on a safe tune, so it's not like it's gonna hurt anything really, realistically. But I'm basically not getting peak power like I should be getting with the installation process. So that being said, go ahead and enjoy the video. I will see you guys afterwards.
Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today is a big day. We're gonna go ahead and be adding 6 horsepower to this car. Not too much, but a good amount. So we're gonna go ahead and be installing the intake right here, as well as we have the spark plugs, the 90mm idler, 2.5 pulley, and I believe that is it. Also with the tune, obviously. We're gonna go ahead and add all of this today. I'm not gonna do it myself. I'll probably maybe help a little bit. I'm actually taking it to a shop right now. They were totally cool with me being able to record and basically hang out there and do everything with them. So we're gonna go ahead and just basically get everything back in the box right now, so we can go ahead and just head over there right now. They're expecting me basically is in the time that I have to drive right now. I kind of woke up a little late, super tired, but definitely worth it because this was like a really last minute kind of thing. I hit them up last night and they basically said, sure, come in tomorrow, and that's exactly what I'm doing. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and get a good old fashioned cold start. Beware of dog. It's just a fluffy husky. Oh, where'd he go? He went in the dumpster. So from your experience, what do you think like a ballpark number would be for to get that kind of job done?
Like the pulling out the motor and putting it back together, that on those 5.0s you do, I can literally do them hella fast. Like,
Yeah.
I can literally pull the motor, transmission, everything out in like 3 hours.
Damn.
Because I've done so
You've done it, yeah.
many that I know exactly what I need to do and take off and stuff. I mean, when you
All right, guys, so this is basically an update real quick. So we're having a little bit of trouble pulling off the actual pulley itself. He's getting it done, as you guys can go ahead and see. The spark plugs are already all set inside. We ended up going with a gap of 0.028. That's what the tuner said. We actually had to call the tuner to make sure and double check before we went ahead and did anything. But I can't wait to get everything all set and done. At the same time, we've been talking about the other builds I have going on and basically trying to sum something up so we can basically get those two worked on as well. Really liking it here and really liking everything that's going down and how we're communicating. So if everything works out, maybe I can go ahead and have him work on the other builds as well. All right, guys, so this is the difference right here, the comparison. So this is the 2.5 that we're going down to from VMP, and then we have this one right here, which is the original one, the 3, and you can go ahead and definitely see the difference. But as well as the nice thing is it gives it that stock look, so as long as they don't know how to measure, you won't be able to tell. All right, guys, so one last thing to go ahead and do. He's actually gonna go ahead and go underneath real quick, but we're gonna go ahead and final thing is gonna be the tune. VMP already sent it with the SCT tuner. It's already installed on it with everything we already did ahead of time, so it should be good to go.
Alright guys, so as always, if you made it to this part of the video, really appreciate you guys watching. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. It really helps out a lot when you actually watch the full video. And while you're here, if you haven't already, please go ahead and like the video and go ahead and drop a comment down below what you guys actually want to see. It really helps me as far as when I'm creating the content, so I can go ahead and so I can show you guys what you guys actually want to see. So we're actually gonna go ahead and actually head back on the same underpass. I just went to Starbucks, like I said, got me a little hot chocolate. So again, huge shout out to VA Performance. I'll go ahead and put his info again so you guys can go ahead and check him out. He actually did a really great job, really cool guy. Like I said in the video, we are trying to see if maybe he'll come and work at the Mustangs. He has been busy though with holiday season and everything going around, so I'm gonna hit him up again. Hopefully he can actually come out and look at the cars and see if he can do anything about it. So I've had on the, like I said in the beginning of the video, I've had on these parts for a little bit now, and I've got some few runs in, and I just gotta say from right off the back, the throttle response is crazy faster. Basically, even with the half a throttle, you'll actually hear the boost now. Before, you would actually have to go full throttle and you would only get a couple pounds of boost, and it was very little, and you could not hear it at all with that intake. I will go ahead and show you guys when I get back to the house the difference between the open air intake. Now actually, I don't need to show you guys a new one because the new one is just completely plastic, like all the way through. The other one, the stock one, due to noise regulation, they actually had to have it basically muffled, like a muffler on the actual air intake, so that way when you're going full throttle, the actual whine that you hear goes through the throttle body into the intake, and it'll muffle it down right there where it looks like the muffler basically, so it muffles actually the noise down. So with that being gone, that's actually why you hear, on top of the, you know, the smaller pulley actually spinning it faster, is why you hear the actual whine now. So again, half throttle, I was already hitting about 3-4 pounds of boost, and it's insane compared to what it was before. But again, I still need to go ahead and data log it and get basically send it into VMP and have them do an actual custom tune so I can actually be making peak power, because right now it's basically, it's just like a recalibration tune. It's basically telling the module that, yeah, I have a smaller pulley, which is causing more air in, and that's why it's not throwing off any sensors for the bigger intake, because I believe the stock one's a 110 millimeter and I went up to 128. Those little differences will throw up errors on the car, and that's why some air intakes actually require a tune to be done afterwards, so it doesn't throw up a flag like it would. So as you guys can go ahead and see just by looking at it, you see the muffler, you see what's inside of it, and when you actually look inside of it, you see how it actually has all this, the freaking, basically to make it quiet. So again, it was due to noise regulations and all that. So that being said, guys, I look forward to actually making more power when I get it actually data logged and everything goes through. Estrella is supposed to be coming back from Alabama soon, and she's gonna go ahead and actually help me out. She's gonna sit in the passenger seat and actually do the data logging itself while I drive the car and do what I need to do for it. But I do need a partner to do that with. I could do it by myself, but I'd rather have a partner, that way I can actually focus on recording and driving at the same time. So I'll go ahead and make a video on that as well. So with that being said, really appreciate it again, guys. Go ahead and throw a like on the video. It really helps out a lot. Comment down below what you guys actually want to see, and I will go ahead and see you guys in the next video. Peace out, guys. Thanks for watching.